Hello everybody, this is our video number 4 on the same topic, the universe. In our last video, we already covered all the chapters, and in this video, we will start or discuss the question answers from your book on this particular chapter, the universe. So let's begin. The first, question number 1, multiple choice questions. 1A. The time period between a new moon and the next new moon is about 29 days. That means the option 2 is correct for 1A. 29 days. B. The star that appears to be the stationary form, the Earth. Option is Pole Star, Venus, Orion, and all of this. So the correct one for this is option 1. That means Pole Star. C. The pole star can be located with the help of. So pole star can be located with the help of the Cassiopeia, Orion, Ursa Major, none of these. So the right option for this 1C is option 2, Ursa Major. So next one is the constellation that looks like distorted W or M is. So we already know that the Cassiopeia is one of the constellation just look like the W or M. So the correct option for the D is 4. Okay? And rest of the 2 is your homework. Next, fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blanks 2A is stars are made mainly of dash. The stars are made mainly of hydrogen. Hydrogen. Second one, 2B. Dash is a constellation that looks like a hunter. We are already familiar with this term, the hunter. The Orion is a constellation that looks like the hunter. That means the answer for Orion. See, when the more than half of the moon is visible, when the more than half moon is visible, that is called waning crescent. Okay? D. The asteroid belt is present between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So, answer for the D, the Mars and Jupiter. These two are the answer for the D. And the rest of the fill in the blanks is your homework. Question 3. Understand the relations and fill in the blanks. So first relation is given 3a is Usha Major is related to the chapter-16. So Orion is related to Mriga. So this is the right answer for the 3a. Second one, 3b. New moon is related to Amavasya. So full moon is related to Purnima. C. The earth is related to the blue star. So dash is related to the red planet. The Mars is related to the red planet. And the rest of the two for the 3, it is your homework. Next. Question number 4. Rewrite the statement correctly by changing the underlined words. As for the question 4, each and every question has a statement, and in between the statements, one word is underlined, and recognize this word is wrong and replace this word with the correct one. So first statement is given: the Mars is called the morning and the evening star. So it is wrong. So as in place of Mars, the right one is the Venus is called the morning and evening star. So Venus is called the morning and evening star. Second statement: the Neptune is the largest planet of the solar system. It is also false. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Third one, the Uranus is a yellow planet with ring. It is also false because the Saturn is a yellow planet with ring. Saturn. The moon's gravitational pull keeps the planet in their orbits. It is also false because the sun gravitational pulls kept all the planets in their orbits. So for 4D, the right one is sun. EduSat was India's first artificial satellite. So it is also false. Aryabhatta. This is the right answer for the 4E. And the rest of the questions of your question number 4 are for your homework. Next, 5. The very short answer type questions. What are the heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets is called moon? What is the name of our galaxy? We are already familiar with these questions and we are already studying this part. The Milky Way or Akash Ganga is the name of our galaxy. Milky Way. C. Which star is the nearest to the Earth after the Sun? The Alpha Centauri. Alpha Centauri. Next, which constellation is called the Little Bear? And after that, what is the other name of the shooting star? These two are homework. Next, we will discuss the question number 6, that is the short answer type questions that define the light year. You already know that what is the definitions of the light year, and that is the question answer for this 6a is present on page 208. B. What is the solar system? In our video, we already discussed what is the definition of the solar system, and the appropriate answer on the definition of the solar system present in page 210. C. What is the comets? This is also discussed in our video, and this answer, the definition for the comets is present the page 214. 214. The comets are the celestial bodies that revolve around the suns in the elliptical orbits. This is also discussed in our video. So, what is the pole star, and why does it appear stationary? So, when you discuss the pole star, about the pole star, so what is the pole star? The night sky, you will find a stationary star is north direction, it is called the pole star. In our night sky, we find out a particular star in a stationary positions, that is, this star is called the pole star, and it does not appear to move because its position is in the line of Earth axis. So why this star is always in a stationary positions? Because of that, the positions of this star is in the line of the Earth axis, and that's why this is also belongs to the same positions. So this one is present in page 208 under the subheading pole star. What is the meteorites? This is also present in page number 214. And the last one for the question number 6. Why does the moon look the difference every day? What is the reason? When you discuss the various phases of the moons, and that is totally depend on this answer is present page number 207 under the subheading the moon and its phase and the phase of the moon. So, if you observe the moon in the night sky for a few days, you will notice that the moon does not look the same. So, what is the reason? This is because the sunlight are different part of the moon, as it revolves around the earth. So that is the reason the moons look the different shape in every day. What is the reason? The reason is the sun light up different part of the moon as it revolves around the earth. So write down this line. This line and this line is present under the phase of the moon. The sun lights up a different part of the moon as it revolves around the earth. So remember and see all the page in your book, and with respect to this appropriate page number, you will definitely find the correct answer for all the short type questions. Next, the long answer type questions. A. The long answer type question, the first, explain the atmospheric conditions on the moon. For these questions, we refer to page number 207. Sorry. Under the phase of the moons, and in this case we will discuss the 8th phase of the moon. So discuss every 8 phase, that means the every 8 points of the moon, the different point of the moons for this questions. How can you locate the pole star with the help of Ursa majors? This one is very important, and answer for these questions is present in the page number 209. 209, page 209 under Ursa major subheading. So the pole star can be located with the help of Ursa majors. It is in a straight line with the two-tailed star of Ursa major, and it is interesting to know that the Ursa major appears to move around the pole star. So this one is the right answer for this 7B, and consider the third point. The third point under Ursa major. So, as for the question number 7B, that means how can you locate the pole star with the help of Ursa majors? The answer, we consider only the third bullets or the third point. In between the Ursa major, total the 3 points are considered, and in between the only consider the third point for this answer. What are the inner and outer planets of the solar system, and how do they rectify? So for these questions, we consider the page number. So for the 7C, what is the definition of the inner planets and what are the inner and the outer planets? And for this answer, the mention the which 4 planets are called the inner planets and which 4 are called the outer planets. and also consider the difference between the inner planets and outer planets. So answer for this question is present to page 211. And write a short note, any two constellation. You can choose in between all of the constellations which is present in your book, only two. And the district is between the meteorites and the meteors and the meteorites. For this questions, only mention the page 214. In page 214, the difference between the meteors and the meteorites. This one is the correct answer for the 7E. So that's all for the today's lecture.